Andito ako ngayon sa project natin, Antel Grand Village. At ito yung ating project Anyana Antel Tanza dito sa bayan ng Tanza, Cavite. And ito yung ating pinaka-master plan and the perspective of the property. At maganda po, lalo na sa actual, invite you all for the site ocular. So ito yung ating villages, Bel Air Central. The next is, ito naman yung ating location map. Tama-tama itong video na ito para sa gustong mag-invest ng property dito sa Anyana dahil ito talaga ang magiging actual. Then, ito yung Paris Model House, the facade, the specification, and the interior. Yung ating pong specification ng property. Ayan, yung best-selling natin, the Paris Model House. At ito naman yung next is the New York Model House. The specification, so it has 125 square meters in total lot area, 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and a garage. And ito yung pinaka interior natin. And for economic, ito naman po yung ating Tokyo Model House is a single farmable property, 100 square meters ang total lot area, and the specification is eto siya guys. Then we have actual model unit para po sa ating New York at Tokyo Model House. Then the Sydney Model House, 6.6 million pesos is a single attached property with a total lot area of 100 square meters. Floor area of 77 square meters. Then the scale model. Ito yung ating Sydney model unit. Naka-cover siya ngayon guys. And the next is our Tokyo Model House. May dalawang variant po nitong Tokyo natin. Then, it has 4 bedrooms. Next is ito pong ating New York Model House. Shout out po sa lahat ng mga lot owners dito po sa Anyana in Antel Grand Village. At kung meron kayo existing lot, pwede na kayo mag-upgrade ng bahay. Pwede nating ibang financing ang inyo pong bahay. Then, ito yung ating pinaka-amenities. So, dito po sa Antel Grand Village. Alright guys. So, ang ganda po niya lalo na sa actual. Kaya, we invite you all to do the site ocular. At ngayon, pupuntahan natin yung atin pong pinaka-cashier. So makikita natin yung ating BIR permits, yung atin pong business permits. And of course, nandito po yung ating pinaka-master plan for the West Home Residences. At kung magbabayad kayo ng inyo pong monthly amortization, ito po, may upuan tayo dito. And meron tayong cashier para po sa inyo pong resibo. Ayan. So, official receipts yung inyo pong makukuha dito po sa Antel Grand Village. Then, after this tour, pupuntahan natin yung pinaka-site ng atin pong property. Well, ito na po guys. No? Lalabas tayo dito po sa ating pinaka-door. And of course, dito po sa Antel Grand Village, meron tayong Southville International School. Then, ito yung clubhouse area natin, the drop-off area, and the parking space. Now, titingnan natin yung atin pong pinaka-residential subdivision. Well, ganyan yung kaganda yung ating clubhouse. And of course, ito po yung ating Aqua Mundo dito po sa Antel Grand Village. Meron tayong gym, may sauna, may spa, may children's parks, playground, swimming pool. At ito ngayon mag-gym tayo, tingnan natin. Ayan siya guys. Okay, so exclusive and intended for the lot owners and homeowners lang po itong ating pinaka-amenities. Kung meron kayong mga kaibigan, kamag-anak, pwede nyo isama dito guys. Pero ito yung ating swimming pool. Ayan, exclusive. This is a 1.7 hectares amenities. And ngayon napakadaming gazebo. Mayroon la pool, spa pool, and a pavilion area. Wow, look at that. Diba? Napakaganda ng ating Aquamundo. And of course, ang ating location dahil we are located in Barangay Macau 2, General Trias, Cavite. So our pre-selling project ay ito po ang ating Anyana Antel Tanza where we have lot only and house and lot package. Ganito po. And of course, ito yung ating bridge. Dito po sa Antel Grand Village. Well, mai-enjoy nito itong ating 11 swimming pools, basketball courts with tennis courts and pavilion area. So ayan, at least makikita nyo na ating napakagandang amenities kahit nasa abroad kayo. Well, isang click and play lang ito pong ating full house tour dito po sa Antel Grand Village. Makikita nyo yung ganda ng ating community. Well, ito yung Boracay area natin. Ayan. So you have malapad na pool and a slides. Now, after dito, pupuntahan natin yung ating model houses. Alright, no? Well, ito, mag-i-enjoy kayo dito dahil napakaganda. Well, ito naman po yung ating pinaka-main entrance sa mga gates. So, you have 24/7 security guard at naka-landscape yung ating pong pinaka-main entrance. Ayan, madami na pong nakatira dito sa Antel Grand Village at Aniana. So, makikita niya nila po yan. Hindi lang kayo nag-iisa dahil madami na po kayo, guys. Well, ito yung ating Paris model house, one of the best-selling model unit with 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 2 car park. Of course, ito yung ating ready for occupancy, the Nevada model house, 150 square meters, 4 bedrooms, and 3 toilet and bath. Well, pupuntahan natin yung ating actual model house. Okay, guys. Ayan, ang lapad ng kalsada, may island park sa gitna. Napakadaming puno, lalo dito sa Grand River Day. Alright, guys, no, pasukin natin itong ating model house na California model unit. So, you have a porch. Of course, ang lot area nito ay 175 square meters, 203 square meters total lot area. Ito yung lanay area. Well, the living and the dining area, open floor layout. At you have a lanay right over here. Then, you have a island counter plus a bathroom dito sa ibaba. Plus, you have a bedroom on the ground floor. So, tama-tama as den or office or etc. Sa ating mga lolo at lola, well, or a guest room. Then, the living area. Then, aakit tayo. Pakita natin yung ating pinaka-model unit o pinaka-bedrooms on the second floor. Well, ayan, ang ganda, oh. Shoutout po sa lahat ng ating clients na nasa Malta and nasa Italy, sa Europe. Ayan, thank you so much for always tuning in our YouTube channel. At sa atin pong client na nasa Italy, hi Ma'am Lulu. Ayan, thank you so much po, ma'am. And of course, ito yung second bedroom. A third bedroom, by the way, dito po sa California model house. Then ito yung common toilet and bath dito po sa itaas. Then ito yung fourth bedroom with the king size bed. Malalapad po yung ating mga bedrooms at beautiful ceiling designs. Dito sa Antel Grand Village, yan na po ditong lot only and house and lot package. Available through bank financing. Now, we have to check out the master bedroom. Ready for occupancy is also available dito po sa Antel Grand Village and Aniana. Well, this is the master bedroom area. So, you have a bathroom dito po sa master bedroom area. Imagine 203 square meters and total floor area. Malapad at malaki ang property natin. Alright. Well, okay. So, you have straight balcony right over here. Ayan. Wow, imagine, ang ganda ng ating paligid. Ang ganda ng community. Perfect place to live, relax, and play dito po sa Antel Grand Village and Aniana Antel Tanza. Location-wise natin, napakalapit sa lahat ng mga major destinations, restaurants, hospitals, airports, and major thoroughfares. Then, ito yung Island Park. Dito po sa harap ng ating model house. Ayan, guys. O, diba? Nice! If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today on the numbers below. My name is Ray. Thank you so much and God bless everybody.